Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can create an AI agent. First, you'll just simply log into your BotPenguin dashboard. Once you are logged in, on the left corner, click on Create. From the drop down, select Agent. On the next screen, you have to click on Build from Scratch and then click on Next. So now it will ask you to provide a core instructions. So core instructions is basically set your agent's behavior, tone and logic. And for example, I will be providing core instructions here as this, that you are a care bot, a virtual assistant for clinic that help patients book, reschedule or cancel appointment. Your tone should be warm and reassuring. Use slash. So when you use a slash, a pop-up will come up. With this pop-up, you can choose any integration from here. You can use a Google Calendar from here and to book appointment, reschedule as needed. So you are basically giving instructions to your AI agent how it should work. For more references how you can write this prompt, you can simply refer to this documentation here, agent instructions and best practices. You will get an idea how you can create a prompt as per your need. So moving further, just simply click on create agent once done with providing a prompt. Once you're done with it, it will take 2 or 3 seconds and then your AI agent is ready to use. Firstly, we will start with the agent's personality and instructions. Simply click on this. So here in the basic tab, you can set your agent's profile photo, name, welcome note, choose primary and secondary color, select a font, add icebreaker like how can I help you. Once done with all these instructions, just move to next, and then here it is the prompt and the conversation flow. So prompt I have already explained you earlier. It's the same thing here. You can edit the prompt here once you are in the agent and personality instructions. In case if you want to edit it, you can simply click on it, edit it, and it will be ready to go. After that, the conversation flow is something that how the conversation should start. So basically here you have to provide an instruction how the agent should start a conversation with your customers. So basically let's say an example. Hi there, I'm here to help you to book or manage your appointment. So this is an idea how the conversation should go when a customer is interacting with your bot, with your agent. Alright. Moving further, simply click on update and next, and this information will be saved. Moving further, we have communication and style. So from this section, you can adjust your agent's communication style by choosing tone, response length, language, and formatting a style. So once you had decided all these instructions, you can simply click on update and next. And once you update, click on update and next, the communication style will be updated successfully. Lastly, we have an option of metadata. So in the metadata, you can choose which custom attribute your agent should detect and extract. That could be dates, location, preferences, or any custom attribute that you have created. So that's all about this particular section, agent and personality instructions. So once done with this, your agent is good to go. Your agent is good to interact with the customers, and you can change any settings from here and just give it a try. And if you need any assistance, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.